life be like. Yeah. My life be like. Yeah. My life be like.
Eric de pé direito. Ela foi embora pela linha de fundo, assustando o torcedor. Houve o desvio. É escanteio.
I'm on an island by my lonesome strand, low key and stand candid, reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to, finding comfort in the zones and clouds of bones I get used to. A mountain is Fontaine, spinning in monsoon, they grinning this high octane. This blow sky where I came, rolling down the hills.
Olaria tenta chegar lá na linha de fundo. Na jogada do Eric, puxou pra dentro, rolou.
I'm calling on the Savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me, my behavior had me lost in like a the fear of never falling in love, and the tears after losing the feelings of what you thought love was, like the dirt still up under the rug. My life be like bad characteristics covered in cross blood. The joy of new birth and the pain of growing up. The bliss between giving my all and giving up. The highs and lows, paths and roads I chose in the cold I froze. Trying to ease my woes in this world of sin. Close to thin the fin, so the God I send. Words of help.
A bola sobra pro Eric. Levou em direção à linha de fundo. O Wendel vem na marcação. O Feltre também, né? O Thiago Feltre. Bola tocada pro Lucas.
My life be like ooh-wah-ooh, dumb diddy. Here come that boy from the capital cities. Last up on the bitch, new Diddy. But 8 bars of the truth. I believe there's a bride that's stunning, and I believe in the kingdom coming. I believe if you seek the truth, you don't need to look far, cause it's gonna find you. So why, oh why do I trip and stumble? And ooh, eyes, commitment crumbles. I can't believe that I'm here again. My life be like time like you make me say, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving right control when I'm straight. I'm sacrificing the price I pay. Like living like a figure tip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, more for the time, more like you. Try not to put the fire with the things I live me like time like you make me say, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving right control when I'm straight. I'm sacrificing the price I pay. Like living like a figure tip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, more for the time, more like you. Try not to put the fire with the things I live me like. My life be like. My life be like. My life be like.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
Tentativa lá pelo lado direito da equipe do Olaria, chegando com o Eric, se aproxima da área, bateu cruzado o Eric, uma bola perigosa que o Alessandro conseguiu desviar e mandar para escanteio. De novo o lance do Eric, ó. Conseguiu abrir o espaço para cima do Renato Silva. De novo, entortou o Renato Silva, bateu cruzado. Uma bola venenosa ali, o Alessandro tá batendo para desviar.
Now I got a word for your tongue. How many Rolling Stones you want? Yeah, I got a brand new spirit, speaking and it's done. Woke up on the side of the bed like I won. Talk like the winner, majestic that sun. G5 in the US to Taiwan. Now who can say that? I wanna play back. Mama knew I was a needle in a haystack. A Bugatti boy, plus Maybach. I got a feeling it's a rap. ASAP.
Sometimes
The mountains high, walk on water. I got power, feel so royal. 1 second, I'ma strike for you. Diamond, platinum, no more for you. That adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. That glow, that spark, that crown. You're looking at the king of the jungle now. Stronger than ever, can't hold me down. 100 miles gunning from the pitch's mile. Straight game face, it's game day. See me running through the crowd, full of melee. No trick plays, I'm Bill Gates. Take a genius to understand me.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling.
A bola vai lá no Dedé. Já ia pressionar por ali o Eric. O Leandrão foi quem dividiu. Zé Carlos fez o lançamento. A bola vai chegando lá no Eric. Botou na frente, ganhou do Dedé. Chegou na área. Olha, o Eric rolou pro meio pro Leandrão. Renato Cinto. Pouco Olaria não abriu o placar aqui, moça bonita. Aí o Eric que ganhou do Dedé. Rolou. Sandro Silva.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a good feeling, yeah.